हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज का हमारा वीडियो है इनसाइड वन ऑफ इंडियाज़ लार्जेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी फगवाड़ा। अरे वाह! मैंने सुना यूनिवर्सिटी फगवाड़ा सुना है, बट नॉट यूनिवर्सिटी फगवाड़ा। एंड वन ऑफ इंडियाज़ लार्जेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, आई डोंट नो लार्जेस्ट का चक्कर क्या है, बट आई वुड लाइक टू नो अबाउट इंडियाज़ टॉप रैंक्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज़। तो चलते हैं, वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
वाओ, इतनी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी मैंने तो सिर्फ फिल्मों में ही देखी है। But this university in Punjab has surprised me with its size, infrastructure and architecture. Welcome to lovely professional university in Fagwara.
देखिए, ये अच्छी बात है कि लार्जेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, बट व्हाट वी वुड लाइक टू नो इसकी रैंकिंग क्या है इस यूनिवर्सिटी की इन इंडिया। एंड मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि इंडिया में कोई ऐसी स्टैंडर्डाइज रैंकिंग टाइप की कॉन्सेप्ट भी है कि भाई इस चीज़ की रैंकिंग को हर कोई देखता है और उस रैंकिंग में ये नंबर है। जैसे यूएस में यूएस न्यूज़ की रैंकिंग हर कोई देखता है, तो वैसे क्या इंडिया में भी ऐसा कोई है कि इसकी रैंकिंग हर कोई देखता है?
This beautiful campus is situated in Jalandhar, Punjab.
ओ, नाम है उसका लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी फगवाड़ा। मुझे लगता है फगवाड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है, इट इज़ लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी। ओ, आई सी।
Lovely Professional University was established in 2005 and inaugurated its operations in 2006.
मैंने इसका कभी नाम नहीं सुना, लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी। नेवर हर्ड दिस नेम।
There are 18 schools specializing in different fields with respective faculty.
And I don't know what is their rank.
And a boarding facility that can host 35,000 students. You know, वैसे तो मैं पंजाब कई बार आई हूँ and I would often come across the lovely professional university, but I would always just see it from the outside. I thought, why not get inside the campus and find out what this huge university has to offer.
And why is it called lovely professional university? ये लवली क्यों बोलते हैं इसको? और प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी का मतलब क्या है कि इसमें सिर्फ करिकुलम प्रोफेशनल है या और आई डोंट नो, प्रोफेशनल का कहने का मतलब क्या है?
Well equipped with facilities that give the students
मतलब why is it not called lovely university? Why lovely professional university? क्या कोई अनप्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज भी होती हैं? आई डोंट नो।
best of both worlds, theoretical knowledge and on-ground experience. And that's not it. Lovely Professional University is recognized with UGC and now has tie-ups with some of the top-notch universities across the globe. I'm going to be exploring this campus with the Pro-Chancellor of this university, Rashmi Mittal. Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Very good. Welcome to Curly Tales.
Thank you.
And I'm quite blown away by your university. It
Really?
looks gorgeous, I
Thank
have to
you.
say.
Thank you so much.
I mean,
Thank
this
you.
place is making me feel so nostalgic, even though my college was like 1/10 the size of this university.
Even mine.
Yeah.
First of all, I must say, I still remember my college days
Yeah.
when we used to have only one canteen and sitting and having samosas and only bread pakoras there.
Right.
And now you see campuses like this, you're amazed to see the kind of lifestyle that these children have these days. It's
Absolutely.
amazing.
So, what are the perks of being a student at LPU?
Oh, so I think it's very different from a traditional college where, I still remember a teacher used to come and hand over, something to us and say, okay, this is the curriculum, this is what we are going to be taught
Right.
in those 3 or 4 years.
Yeah.
But now it's so different and dynamic. Every day it's something which is designed for the students. As you enter in and how you leave, every semester is planned beautifully for you. So whether you are an Indian student or international student, since we have students from all 28 states and
Wow.
50 countries as well.
Okay.
So no barrier.
Huh.
So we have around 150 plus programs.
Okay.
So these many students and 35,000 students we have.
And you have a capacity to hold 35,000
Yeah,
students
we have
in the
around
university.
24,000 students staying in the campus, the hostel.
Okay.
And then rest of the students, they apply from various nearby places. And we have all kind of hostels, like students want to stay as a two-seater, single-seater with
Right.
kitchen, with ACs, and all those options are there for the students. And it is amazing. The agriculture farms,
Right.
where the university teaching happens.
Okay.
So they actually work on the ground, the agriculture students. So when you see all these buildings, we have around 58 buildings.
Yeah.
This is the administration, this is the admission building.
Right.
So all these buildings are schools, So, and if you look this side, so these are all flags of different nationalities that we have students from and the tie-ups that we have with these countries. In the beginning, initial times only, they would have a diagnostic test which would decide what career you want to pursue. So it's a 1-year internship that you get during your, working, and then you're working in the campus and making your pocket money. So those kind of opportunities are there. And if you are an entrepreneur,
Yeah.
if you want to start your own business in that campus, then university would give them some kind of seed money so that you can start your business in the campus. You would see a lot of students of mine here working in the evening, and there's a golf cart also which is being run by the students. And
Right.
so those kind of opportunities, and there are kiosks, businesses which are run by the students.
Right.
Not just studies. There are other activities also which helps to build their career.
Absolutely. And basically, it's like a 360-degree development that is happening for you in the campus.
Yes. So we have this mall also here, this in front of you, and there where most of the shops are run by the students.
Really?
So while they are studying,
Huh.
they can work there
Okay.
and make their money, as I said. And then adjacent to that, we have a uni hotel, which is also run by the students of hotel management. There's a school which is hotel management school, and their students.
Yeah.
And when the parents come and visit their children, so they can stay in that hotel and children take care of them.
Wow.
This is also one of the entrepreneurship project of the student.
Would love to take a ride on this one. A university with a buggy, it can't get cooler than this.
golf cart, yeah, sure.
So here are the playgrounds. These are the generic playgrounds that we have.
यहाँ पे टू बी फ्रैंक स्कूलों में भी होती हैं गोल्फ कार्ट, सो इट्स ओके.
तो क्लासरूम में कौन बैठेगा?
The classrooms are also very interesting.
So, ma'am, programs are बहुत अच्छे हैं, and I'm sure students come here and enjoy their education, and there are lots of opportunities. But one of the biggest questions जो हमेशा हर student के दिमाग में होता है कि मुझे job मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी और मेरी salary क्या हो? Are you addressing that
Yes,
concern?
that's the most important one. It's not only job. So we help students make their careers. So whatever career he chooses, it's not only job. It could be entrepreneurship. He wants to be a businessman. Maybe
He
wants
or
to
she
go to
be.
some government job, or maybe he wants to study abroad for further placements, or maybe he wants to get into high
He
studies.
or she.
So all those are the career options that he has. He chooses one. So we have a very beautiful system where he decides which way he wants to go, and then his training begins from there. By the end of the semester, by the end of the program, or maybe these days it is getting earlier.
ये सिर्फ
In a 4-year program,
बॉयज़ का है क्या?
after 2 years he started getting placements, like he goes for 6 months internship. So
I don't know.
internship,
Is it only for boys?
Finally he gets grab those packages. So like 62 lakhs ka package, yeah, 3 crores ka package if you are going for overseas placements.
Wow, and is
So-
that the first job with
Yeah,
62
the first job. So I think those are the kind of, so 1,000 companies would visit the campus,
Right.
and around 10 of my students, they are into their packages like above
Right.
40 lakhs. And if you see any first 20, 500 Fortune companies, you see
Yeah.
first 20 of them, if you see,
Right.
my students would be there.
So are you
I think,
saying that all these companies are affiliated with the university?
yes.
And by the end of the course, they would
They would
visit?
come here
Okay.
and place our students.
And you give them the opportunity that while you are studying,
Yeah.
you can go enhance yourself, get practical knowledge, get learnings on the job.
That's a part of the curriculum.
That's a part of
That's
the
a part of the
curriculum.
curriculum. You have to do certain assignments after your classes. And that they are practical assignments. You'd have to go to the industry and work.
Right.
And you have to do certain MOOCs in place of the courses. Or you have to do certain certification.
देखिए बहुत ही अच्छा वीडियो था. वेरी नाइस टू सी LPU, लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी, जो मेरे को लग रहा है फगवाड़ा में है. मगर मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि ये इसका नाम लवली क्यों है, और इसके नाम में लवली यूनिवर्सिटी के बदले प्रोफेशनल क्यों है, और दूसरा इसकी रैंकिंग क्या है. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. इस यूनिवर्सिटी का जो उन्होंने दिखाया है ब्यूटीफुल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, और उसके बाद जो है अब पता ये करना है कि रैंक इसकी कितनी है. क्या ये यूनिवर्सिटी इंडिया की वन ऑफ द टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में मानी जाती है कि नहीं मानी जाती. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा है इनके पास. दे डेफिनेटली कैन एक्सपैंड, कैन अट्रैक्ट टैलेंट, एंड दे कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड. और जो बातें बोल रहे हैं दैट्स वेरी नाइस. सब मॉडर्न बातें बोल रहे हैं, दे टॉकिंग वेरी नाइस थिंग्स, बट डिपेंड करता है कि आपके पास कितने अच्छे प्रोफेसर्स हैं, आपके पास बच्चे कितना पढ़ते हैं, आपका कट ऑफ कितना है, कितने मार्क्स के बच्चे आप लेते हैं, और क्या ये क्या सिर्फ मार्क्स पे ही बेस्ड है लोगों का ना. तो बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं. वो सारे फैक्टर्स आपको नज़र आ जाएंगे इन रैंकिंग ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी. बट वॉज अ वेरी गुड वीडियो. खुशी हुई देखकर कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वॉज अमेजिंग. तो आप बताइए आपके क्या इसमें कमेंट्स हैं कि इज़ दिस वेरी हाईली रैंक्ड, और अगर आपको मौका मिले वुड यू लाइक टू गो हेयर एंड वाई? तो चलते मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।
तो अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल पे नए हो तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब के बटन को हिट करो और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो, ताकि आपको मेरा जब नया वीडियो मैं लगाऊं आपको उसके बारे में जल्दी से पता चल जाए।